How are you?
Okay. I'm going good. How about you, Mr. Sudhir?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking.
Okay. So, Mr. Sudhir, yeah, how are you doing and where are you from?
I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, sir. And you?
I'm from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
My experience is good with Clapingo, but
Good clapping.
now 2 or 3 sessions there is a problem with means tutor was not joined on time.
Okay.
Today was a session with Smidhi, but she didn't join the session. No, no, no. These are things happens in the process because sometimes I have problem, sometimes
Right.
tutor has a so
Yeah, that's true.
happens.
We are all humans at the end of the day, right?
Yeah, we are
Right.
human. Today is a weekday. Today is holiday.
No, no, in the sense you are a working professional. What do you do
Yes,
for a
I am
living?
working in the private sector.
That's nice.
Yes.
Okay. So, have you gone through the PDF session note?
Sir, instead of PDF session notes, I want to talk about general topics. Maybe any like debate or any question answers. Fine.
100%. No worries about that. Okay. So, yeah, we'll just start with. So, for instance, you're working professional currently, right? So, apart from your work and all, so if you get free time to yourself, right? In the sense, what hobbies do you pursue in that case?
In my free time,
Yeah.
life, amazing facts, who moved my cheek. Okay, these three
Okay.
books are is ready.
And this Ignited Mind is by?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, sir.
What is it about in this?
It is
Is it
about his experience about the life. He narrate his experiences he taken from his life.
right?
Okay. Uh,
Okay. And in the sense, what did you learn from it? What all could you learn? And would you like to share any of the chapters of it? Any of the instance that was there in the
now I
book?
start now I am starting reading it. I think it's
Right.
for first chapter I am reading now.
Okay, you just started and you're in the first chapter itself.
Yeah, first chapter is now going on, and
Okay.
he narrated how he visited to the schools and why what happened, how students ask the question. Okay,
Right.
and
Right.
how he answered to the that student. So it is a good message in that book.
Okay. That's nice. Yeah. Do you know about his life story? So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, in his
Yes,
last
sir.
days, what happened is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was giving a speech in, I think so, Assam or Sikkim, right? And that's where he got a heart attack.
Heart
Do you have
attack.
idea about that?
No,
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
no.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So he was always a person who looked forward to sharing knowledge with children and with people, right?
Yes, yes.
So he basically, in his life story, what happens is he died doing what he loved the most, NASA, but he
Yeah,
rejected it for ISRO basically, right? Because he wanted to work for the nation rather than people in the other country, basically, the other organization, and that organization was paying him a very good amount comparatively,
yes, yes.
obviously, right? Because it's a well established, NASA is a well established brand, right? You can say brand or even an organization.
Hindi medium.
Okay, you watch in Hindi itself.
Yes,
You watch all the movies in Hindi itself, not no English movies.
English movie because there is no English surrounding and I don't have any other option to listen Hindi. Only I have a mobile and I watch English sessions on YouTube. Okay, I want to improve also three dish to another dish because for English surrounding. But I have mobile, so I didn't do.
You want to improve your language basically. That's what you
Yes, yes. For my language, or that's why I'm improving all those things.
any movie that you saw last in Hindi also. You're more of a Hindi movies person, right?
Actually, I watched lots of movies in Hindi and also English.
That's nice.
Hindi I uh, watched last movies. I think मैं हूं ना previous day.
Okay. Yeah, that's a nice movie.
I am the
Favorite actor.
fan of Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, that's nice. So which movie of him did you like the
Of
maximum?
Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, all the movies are fantastic of Amitabh Bachchan, sir, and I like the most of Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Okay, Suryavansham. Okay, and one of the Bagban also good movie of Amitabh Bachchan.
Second part is the feedback that I'll be giving now. Now it's okay.
Okay, please. Okay, please. Okay.
It is coming and then it is going. What is it like?
Yeah, yes, they come
For
in.
instance, if you're not able to hear now, no, if you're not able to hear, you can basically see in the recording, right?
Okay, okay, okay,
I
okay.
can hear you clearly. I can hear and see you clearly. So yeah, uh, so Mr. Sudhir, what I found in your speech is like heavy mother tongue influence, if we say. So that Marathi accent is there, right? Which I find. And so what is happening in your speech, secondly, is like you're thinking, and that is why it is there are pauses. My best actor is Amitabh Bachchan,
Yeah,
right? My favorite actor.
yeah.
That's how I
My
will say,
favorite.
correct? So that this is the feedback that I found in your speech, Mr. Sudhir, right?
Okay.
Correct. I hope you like the session. I hope you it was informative for you. Correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
obviously that's our job to let you learn. Correct. And yeah, if you like the session, please do give a good rating because that
Yes.
does matter to us. Right. And yeah, I'm sorry about the glitches that were here, the audio glitches and all. That's kind of in my hand and sometimes not in my hand. Audio glitches anyway, the network issues.
Okay.
I'll talk. I'll talk to Mukesh Ambani about
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, thank you. And yeah, have a
Thank
nice day. Best of luck.
Okay. Best of luck.